Hello, this is David Dustin, and I wanted to show you one of the newest features we have added to Clouds2Max, and that's the ability to edit directly on the point cloud. Once you have imported it and saved it to the C2M or Clouds2Max format, then you can apply edits to the scan, and you can do it directly in the Max environment. Now, what that allows us is, those of us that do a lot of roadway scanning, you end up seeing a lot of intersecting points where vehicles have passed in front of your scanner. Here was our scan location, and so as these vehicles passed, you could see where they had the beam had contacted them and left basically what we call ghosts in the roadway. So what we have now is the ability to remove those. So I've added a limit box so that we can concentrate here in the area of interest, and I've also added something called an edit box. Now the edit box feature works very well in the Clouds2Max plugin, and essentially what it is it's a box that you can scale, you can move around, and as it contacts or intersects the different points in the scan, then you can see where it will highlight them. And so in this instance, where we have these slices of vehicles that have passed through, now we can go in and we can delete them and the way we do that is we go to the Helper tab, you create an edit box, and then once the edit box is created, you go to the Modify tab, and you can choose to either show or hide those points. But then also you can choose to delete those points. And so once you delete them, they're gone. There's no coming back. So be very careful that what you have chosen to do is what you want to do. So at some point we may have an undo, but as with most 3D softwares like this, it's sometimes not quite really a viable option. So just be careful, and then once you're finished, go ahead and save it out as a C2M file. And that's essentially it. But this will save you a lot of time. Typically the way we have done it in the past is we would create we would register our scans in whichever registration software we were using at that particular time, and then we would we would take it out to a third-party software, edit it, and then export it again, and then re-import it to the Max environment cleaned. Most of the registration softwares themselves can be a bit arduous at times when it comes to editing the cloud. So that's basically how it works. Thank you.